Introducing the Ridstar H26PRO folding electric bike, the ultimate solution for modern commuting and outdoor adventures. Sleek in matte black, this bike is designed for those who demand style and performance. The Ridstar H26PRO features a sturdy 26-inch aluminum alloy folding frame, making storage and transportation a breeze. Equipped with a suspension front fork, it ensures a smooth and comfortable ride on any terrain. At its core, a powerful 48V1000W high-speed brushless motor and a 48V23A lithium battery deliver unmatched performance and range. Seamlessly shift gears with the Shimano 7-speed system, adapting to any riding condition with ease. Stay informed with the LCD crystal screen display, providing real-time data on your ride. Choose from 3 riding modes: pure electric, power assist, and bike mode, to suit your riding preference. Safety is paramount with the Ridstar H26PRO. Front and rear oil disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power under all conditions, keeping you safe on every ride. Designed for stability and support, the aluminum seat tube and 26-inch Chaoyang fat tires handle any terrain, giving you confidence on every journey. HCS fenders protect you from splashes and debris, making your ride clean and enjoyable regardless of the weather. Convenience meets utility with a foldable design that makes storage simple, reducing its size for easy transport and storage. Stay powered on the go with the 5V USB charger and easily remove the battery for quick charging. A full charge takes just 5 to 7 hours. Enhanced safety features include reflectors and strategically placed lights for optimal illumination and visibility during night rides. With speeds up to 37 miles per hour and a range of 40 to 50 kilometers on throttle mode and 60 to 70 kilometers on assist mode, the Ridstar H26PRO is built for both short commutes and long adventures. Experience the perfect blend of power, versatility, and style with the Ridstar H26PRO folding electric bike. Elevate your ride today. Join the Ridstar community. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and thrilling adventures.